Hey, you know what? I really like making concert photography videos to put on YouTube, and it's a hell of a lot of fun. So I enjoy it. But lately, there's been a lot of people that have been questioning my methods and my knowledge as far as how I do things, and that's okay. That's fine because the first thing in concert photography is in any kind of photography. There's no one set way to do anything. Nothing's cast in stone. So on top of that, uh, one of the things I will tell you right off is I don't know everything. But the ways I do things have been time tested and proven, and I can back up what I'm saying with results, so I can show you. Um, does that mean that I'm 100% correct and right? No, 98% of the time. I do get old timer's disease and get forgetful and some of that kind of thing, and can't remember what I'm doing. So every once in a while, it happens. But for the most part, anything that I go out and I show you that I'm doing concert photography wise, uh, if it involves settings or statistics or way things work, I can show you proof on how that works. And it's not to say that I'm better than anybody. It's what I do is it may be different from what you do, and that might be important. But by all means, if you have a better way, something works for you, please do it for you, and that's great. But what I'm going to show you, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, man, send them to me. Let me know. Tell me, and I'll be glad to answer anything that you send if I can. We appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye bye. Oh, and I forgot. I'm Robert Maxfield. I'm a concert photographer in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. Have been for nearly 50 years, and I've shot everything from rock, metal. I even shot a hip hop guy the other day. So hey. But a lot of times, what I'll be shooting is country, red Texas red dirt, Americana, that kind of stuff. But I'll shoot blues, just about anything, and I've shot all kinds of people over the years. But we'll see you next week. Bye.